If we were to award an award for the most optimized sports car, the Toyota GR86 would probably be the big winner. The second generation of this hilariously fun rear-wheel drive coupe arrives in 2022 and addresses our big problem with the original model, a weak engine. Second time around, power comes from a 228 horsepower flat-4 with plenty of mid-range power, and a 6-speed automatic is available, although a 6-speed manual comes standard, and is the only way to go. You won't hear us tell you to choose this. The GR86 is small and affordable, like a Mazda MX-5 Miata for example, with a small Porsche 911 type rear seat that lets you take just a little pup with you. The hatchback body also provides reasonable cargo space, which the Miata doesn't offer. The GR86 Mechanical Twin offers an almost identical experience, so choosing between them ultimately depends on which badge you prefer. As a 2+2 coupe built mainly for playtime, the GR86 suffers from road noise, especially on the highway, and the music produced by the Boxer engine isn't exactly worth buying a ticket to listen to live. Yet plenty of cornering grip, excellent stability, sharp steering and revving engine make the GR86 fun to drive wherever you go. It has everything an entry-level sports car should have. Toyota hasn't changed our favorite affordable sports car for 2023. Instead, it added a GR86 Special Edition. The Special Edition combines GR86 premium equipment with exclusive Solar Shift orange paint, a burnished catback performance exhaust with black chrome inserts and matte black 18-inch wheels.